Young Kids, the tape looks like a hero, and was born on November 19th, 2004.
With over 229 Academy Award nominations, 54 wins, and a record 14 Best Picture nominations, Miramax Home Entertainment celebrates 25 years of cinematic excellence.
I'm cleaning up and I'm moving on, going straight and choosing life.
They love me.
I don't want you to be the guy in the PG-13 movie everyone's really hoping makes it happen.
Vegas, baby, Vegas!
Wild.
You're that one with that guy who was in that movie that was out last year?
What an appetite, like a lumberjack here.
Oh, well, thank you. Don't speak. No, silence.
This is a night for Americans!
I don't reckon I got no reason to kill nobody.
You didn't think it was going to be that easy, did you? Yeah, I kind of did.
And I will strike down upon thee with great vengeance and furious anger. And you will know my name is the Lord.
Booyah!
They call this war a cloud over the land, but they made the weather, and then they stand in the rain and say, it's raining.
Maybe you married the wrong woman. Maybe you should watch your mouth.
I know what you think, but I let him get away with everything.
Good night, you princes of Maine, you kings of New England.
Oh, shit. Dream on, Will.
To awaken a passion.
Promise me you'll come back for me.
I promise. I'll come back for you.
If I were 20 years younger, your virtue would be in danger.
Show us. Go on.
Miramax Films, the undisputed leader in the new golden age of cinema, celebrating 25 years of excellence. Own all your favorites on DVD. Coming soon to own on DVD and video.
Following previous success of Orange Juice Motion Picture Association America.
For centuries, historians believed that the tale of King Arthur and his knights was only a legend. But the myth was based on a real hero who lived 1,600 years ago.
My father told me great tales of you. Fairy tales. People so brave, so selfless that they cannot be real. Arthur and his knights.
My duty is to my men.
We're going to slaughter your people.
Mark my face. It will be the last thing you see on this earth. My power shall be with you wherever you go. Able to fly without wings. On this day, if this be our destiny, so be it.
King Arthur.
feature presentation.
This is a modified Churchill version. It's been formatted for your TV.